Hello everyone and welcome back to our amazing learning adventure. Today is going to be super colorful and exciting. We're going to learn all about colors using some very special, magical paint buckets. Are you ready to discover a world full of vibrant colors? I know I am. Let's jump right in and see what our first magic bucket holds. Look at this first bucket. It's bright and bold. When we open this magic bucket, everything it touches turns the color red. Can you say red? That's right, R-E-D, red. Think about things that are red. A juicy apple is red. A fire truck is red. Can you find anything red near you right now? Wow, you found something red. Red is such a strong and wonderful color. Let's remember red. Now let's look at our next magic bucket. This one is sunny and bright. When we open this magic bucket, everything turns the color yellow. Can you say yellow? Fantastic. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. What things are yellow? The sun in the sky is yellow. A yummy banana is yellow. Can you think of anything else that is yellow? Great ideas! Yellow makes me feel happy and warm just like sunshine. We've learned red and yellow. Time for our third magic bucket. This one is cool and calm. When we open this magic bucket, everything turns the color blue. Can you say blue? Wonderful. B-L-U-E, blue. What things are blue? The big sky on a clear day is blue. The deep ocean is blue. Do you have a favorite blue toy? Blue is a beautiful color, like a calm lake. So far, we've learned red, yellow, and blue. These are very special colors called primary colors. Now for some extra magic. What happens when we mix our primary colors together? Our magic buckets can show us. Let's take some of our blue magic paint and some of our yellow magic paint. Watch what happens when we mix blue and yellow together. Wow, they make a brand new color. Blue and yellow together make green. Can you say green? Amazing, G-R-E-E-N, green. Where do we see green? The grass outside is green. The leaves on the trees are green. Can you make a sound like something green? Maybe a frog? Ribbit. Green is the color of nature and growing things. We made green by mixing blue and yellow. Okay, let's try another mix. Let's take some of our red magic paint and some of our yellow magic paint. What color do you think red and yellow will make? Let's mix red and yellow together. Look at that. They make the color orange. Can you say orange? Super. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. What things are orange? A juicy orange fruit is orange. A pumpkin is orange. Can you find anything orange around you? Orange is a warm and cheerful color. We made orange by mixing red and yellow. We have one more primary color mix to try. Let's take some of our blue magic paint and some of our red magic paint. What color will blue and red make? Let's mix blue and red together. Oh, this is a beautiful color. Blue and red together make purple. Can you say purple? Excellent. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. What things are purple? Some grapes are purple. A lovely flower might be purple. Do you like the color purple? Purple is a magical and royal color. We made purple by mixing blue and red. Our magic buckets can show us even more colors. What about this bucket? When we open it, everything turns pink. Can you say pink? Pink is a lovely, soft color. Some flowers are pink and maybe you have a pink shirt. How about this bucket? It makes everything brown. Can you say brown? Brown is the color of dirt and tree trunks. A yummy chocolate bar is brown too. And this bucket makes everything black. Can you say black? Black is the color of the night sky when there are no stars. A cat might be black. Finally, this bucket makes everything white. Can you say white? White is the color of fluffy clouds and fresh snow. Paper is usually white. Wow, we learned so many colors today with our magic paint buckets. Let's see if we can remember them all. We started with our primary colors: red, yellow, and blue. Can you point to something that is red, something yellow, something blue? Then we mixed colors. Blue and yellow made green. Red and yellow made orange. Blue and red made purple. We also saw pink, brown, black, and white. That's a whole rainbow of colors. You did such a fantastic job learning about colors today. Colors are everywhere you look, making the world a beautiful place. Keep looking for colors all around you every single day. The more you look, the more colors you'll find. Thank you for joining our colorful adventure today. See you next time for more learning fun. Bye-bye.